Parang hindi naniniwala yung mga Jews kay Jesus. Kala nila, kilala na kilala nila si Jesus ay anak ni Jose at Maria. The people already think that they know everything about him. Parang gulat sila narinig yung sinabi ni Jesus na siya ay tinapay galing sa langit. For the Jews, their understanding of bread from heaven is the manna that their ancestors ate in the desert. When they hear that Jesus is the bread from heaven, they could not accept it. Those people were so close-minded about that. When Jesus tried to explain and teach them, it was difficult for them to understand what he said. Again, for them, Jesus was just an ordinary person. They thought Jesus was just a son of a carpenter. When Jesus said he is the bread of life that came from heaven, he was fulfilling the goodness of the Lord in the reality of daily life. Bread is the food that sustains and gives strength to people. When Jesus took this as a symbol, he also wanted to say that he is the source of life. This becomes a reminder for us that when we want strength, we need him as our source. He is the Eucharist. Minsan pumasok sa isip natin kung paano yung maliit na ostya na kinain natin tuwing misa ay makakapapabigay sa atin ng lakas. Again, if we look at the host with our own human eyes, it cannot satisfy us. It is small and thin. How can we be full if we eat it? We need to see it with the eyes of faith. The small host is the true body of Christ, which gives us power and strength. Sometimes we take for granted the Eucharist. Sometimes we forget that it is our source of spiritual life. When we receive the Eucharist every day, we gain our strength, the power from His great gift from God. Here is the invitation for us to always look at the Eucharist, the host, which seems ordinary but has a great and extraordinary effect on our spiritual journey as follower of Christ.